So in this next video in our beginner trader series, we're going to talk about 5 pieces of software that you may want to consider when you're trading. And it doesn't matter whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, when you have the right tools, it can make all the difference in your success in trading. So starting off with trading platforms, backbone of your day trading operation. Now the platform is essentially the software that's going to allow you to execute trades in real time. And some of these platforms, Interactive Brokers, TradeStation, TD Ameritrade, even MetaTrader, these platforms are going to give you some charting tools, some real-time market data, fast execution speeds for the most part. And all these are crucial when you're day trading. So we talk about Interactive Brokers, for example. It's my favorite. It's the one I use. It's highly regarded for the fees. They're pretty low and a huge range of assets that you can trade. It's great for beginner or advanced traders. We also have Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. I know that's pretty popular here at NetPicks as well. Great set of tools for analysis, perfect for those who rely heavily on charting. Speaking of charting, indispensable for technical analysis traders. And that's just where you study the past market data to, quote, predict future price movements. You have TradingView, TC2000, MetaTrader, Interactive Broker Charting. Now, TradingView stands out because it's pretty easy to use. It's got a huge library of indicators. You can customize the charts. You can share your analysis with a community of traders. We have TC2000, which is mined for stocks. It's highly regarded for its customizable and robust charting capabilities. It's a favorite among stock traders for sure. MetaTrader, widely used in forex for the charting, the technical analysis tools that it has. There's a huge set of tools with it. It gets about 30 built-in technical indicators, but there's over 2,000 custom indicators. It's a ton. So it's going to allow those traders that are interested in that to analyze the market with a really high level of detail. Interactive Brokers Charting, can never forget this one. It's a beast, comprehensive suite of charting tools. Whether you're new or experienced, I think you'll like that one as well. Favorite here at NetPicks. Number 3 is stock scanners. These are essential for day traders just because of the universe, especially for stock traders out there. So you can filter through thousands of stocks to find those that are going to meet your criteria. You got FinViz and Trade Ideas. These are excellent in this category. So FinViz is a whole bunch of settings and parameters like price, volume, indicators. Trade Ideas takes it a little step further, has some AI-powered scanning capabilities. So let's say you're looking for stocks with high volatility. You can just set up a scan on FinViz to show you stocks that have moved a lot in the last trading session. It's going to save you a lot of time and helps you focus on what is moving. Interactive Brokers has a great screener for futures. And I use the screening tools inside of TC2000. News feeds, you want to stay updated with what's going on out there for sure, especially if you're a day trader and if you're a stock trader, you're looking for stocks that are in play. Futures, you know what economic releases are coming out. Because news can really impact prices. And when you have access to real-time feeds like Benzinga Pro and Bloomberg Terminal, which is pricey, top choices for this purpose. But you also have briefing.com and The Fly. These are not overly priced, but when you're first starting to trading, you have to decide whether this is something you need right now. But just know, if you're trading a stock or futures and then suddenly a major news events break out, it's good to have some sort of reason why prices move the way it does. And you can't forget back testing tools. So these are going to allow you to test whatever strategy you're using against historical data to see how it would have done. TradeStation and Thinkorswim, very popular NetPicks when you're looking for back testing tools. So it's great. So you have a new trading strategy, you want to see how it does. You can use TradeStation to back test it against years of data. So this is going to help you refine your strategy and gain confidence before you go live with it. But there's common mistakes. So let's address those. Ignoring the software reliability and speed. When you have slow and unreliable software, it will lead to mistrading opportunities. It's going to lead to losses. So make sure you prioritize software that's known for being reliable and fast execution speeds, especially if you're day trading. Overload with features. Here's the problem. More features aren't always better. It's like buying a car with all the bells and whistles. Now, beginners, they often get overwhelmed by software that has too many choices. So just focus on a few key features that you need that align with your trading strategy and your account balance. You want to make sure you got to be able to pay for this stuff to avoid analysis paralysis. And talking about paying for it, got to consider the costs and fees. So just be mindful of the costs that's associated with software. Low upfront costs, hey, these can be really tempting, but when you start tacking on ongoing fees like data and high commission rates, they're going to add up. They're going to cut into your profit. So just make sure you're conducting some sort of cost-benefit analysis before you start diving into this software. So wrapping this up, the right software can significantly enhance your day trading performance, right? From trading platforms and the software for charts to scanners, news feeds, backtesting tools, each of these are going to play a really important role in your entire trading business. And one quick way to really know what to use, what are the best using? And can you afford it? If not, can you get a cheaper version? Anyways, that's going to wrap this one up. So remember, it's not just about making the right trades, right? But it's also having the right tools to make those trades. We'll talk to you soon.